Welcome back. It's time to get your mutual fund portfolio queries answered. I have with me Shweta Rajani and also our first viewer Gaurav Kalra Gaurav Shukla is connected on the phone line with us. Gaurav, good evening. Thank you so much for sending us your question. And you've got to invest 50 lakhs for 10 years time horizon, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Perfect.
Actually,
Sure.
yeah, actually, I am juggling my entire portfolio, and there
Okay.
were certain mutual funds which were not working, and like the Birla Sun Life or a Canada Robeco Equity Hybrid. So I'm rebalancing my entire portfolio, and I've taken out a corpus of close to about 55 lakhs, which I need to
Okay.
reinvest. So I just wanted to know how do I go about it.
Would you be knowing the
And
existing funds in your portfolio? Because since this is the corpus that you've managed to take out, we want to make
yeah.
sure that we don't recommend the same funds to you again.
I have Aditya Birla Sun Life, Canada Robeco, Franklin
ABSL,
India Flexi,
what fund? What fund? ABSL, what fund?
Canada Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund, and then Franklin India, SBI Flexi Cap,
Franklin India, which fund?
Flexi Cap, Flexi
Next
Cap.
was? Okay, next
The
was?
next one is SBI Flexi Cap,
Okay.
then SBI Flexi Cap,
Right, and?
then I have Kotak Multi Cap,
Okay.
then I have HDFC Top 100.
That's it?
And I have Nippon India small cap.
All right. Okay. Shweta?
Yes,
Yeah.
Kavita. Uh, Gaurav, thank you for sharing that information because now I can give you a slight better advice. See, some of the funds that you have are good, and some funds that you're looking at exiting, like Canada Equity Hybrid, Franklin Flexi, are also good choices. So what I would suggest is some of the funds that you have instead of HDFC Top 100, you can switch to an HDFC Flexi Cap. That could be a better choice, and instead have a quant large cap in your portfolio. So that's one recommendation. You have you mentioned you have a Nippon Small. I would suggest instead of a Nippon Small, you can go in for an Invesco Small. It has a size advantage, which is very critical in a small cap fund. So those would be, I would say, two suggestions from my end to you on your portfolio. Quant multi-cap you already have; it's a good fund. Just continue investing in that. And also, if you want to add one more fund that I would suggest you can add to your portfolio is maybe going for an ICICI dividend yield fund. So that's some bit of my recommendation.
All right, Gaurav, all the best.
Thank you.
Let's
Thank you so much.
take Soma Shekhar's question, and Soma says that she wants to invest in SIP in a flexi cap fund and wants to know whether it should be a large cap. She already has a large cap and a mid cap in the portfolio, and what's the difference between multi cap and flexi cap as well? Shweta.
Sure. So Soma, it's natural to get confused between flexi and multi. I'll just tell you the difference first. In a flexi cap fund, the fund manager has full flexibility to pick whatever stocks he wants, whatever market caps he wants. In a multi cap fund, the regulator says that a fund manager should have a minimum 25% in the large cap stocks, which is the top 100 companies as per size. 25 should be in the mid cap stocks, which is the next 150 companies as per size. And 25% should be in small cap stocks, which is everything below the 251st company as per size. The rest 25 is flexibility to the fund manager. So that's the basic difference between the two funds. Now, if you already have a large cap fund and you have a mid cap fund, then you may want to have one small cap fund to your portfolio or add in a multi cap fund, because through that route you will get some small cap benefit. Uh, Alternatively, a flexi cap, in my experience, most of the flexi cap funds tend to have a large cap bias in their portfolio. So 50 to 70% would continue to be large cap. However, I'll still give you a recommendation. If you want to go for a flexi cap, you can go in for a HDFC flexi cap fund. That's a good fund to have in the portfolio. Or else, you can go in for a DSP small cap and fill in the small cap bucket, that you want in the portfolio. Alternatively, you go in for a quant active fund. That's a multi cap fund, and that again will help you achieve some bit of a small cap exposure.
All right, I think with that, it's time up on the show as well. Thank you so much, Shweta, for being on the show and helping our viewers with various aspects of their financial portfolio and their financial planning today. And time to sign off, but I'm going to leave you with our WhatsApp number and email ID where we keep waiting for your questions. Just in case you want to get your financial portfolio sorted, need our expert advice, that's the WhatsApp number and email ID. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.